Hey everybody, we're here with Jack, the owner of the baddest bad boy mower on the planet. This is a 72-inch cut, 35 horsepower diesel that he's installed a turbo on, and we're gonna have a look at that today. Look at that. That's a good tip. So if you've got one of these 72-inch diesels, run your deck belt a little tighter than you normally would to keep it from slipping, because there is just so much horsepower.
Keep the belt blades sharp.
Yeah, keep those blades sharp too. So Jack had a real good tip here. If you're mowing with a side discharge and you're getting clumps of grass sitting on top, you might try a set of these Gator mulch blades. They're a high lift blade, and these slits in the back actually really improve the airflow, and you might actually get to cut that grass at least one more time before it leaves the chute. So it's going out farther and it's also finer. There's no grass sitting on top whatsoever. And this is not a golf course, but you can mistake it for one. And just for reference, this is the height we were mowing at here. You guys asked for it, you got it. There's the Baddest bad boy. 35 horsepower diesel, turbocharged with a tractor stack. Woo! All right, guys, so if you have any questions on the turbo setup, how it's done, the parts you need, go ahead and post your questions in the comments section, and we'll do an Ask Jack segment, and we'll get those questions answered for you. It's been Sam with Rathbone Sales, and Jack, the owner of the baddest bad boy on the planet. Test results show that is a true statement. And we're signing off.